I guess I can do my eyebrows since I forgot them in the last video. Got them on. I just absolutely couldn't wait. I have my workout clothes on and I'm trying to catch up on the last like 2 weeks worth of videos that I've let piled up because I was procrastinating and I just let it get out of hand, literally. So I got my Ipsy in the mail and I just took this as the perfect opportunity to procrastinate some more. So let's just go ahead and get into it so I can get back to editing. In this month's Ipsy, it's so cute. It's a textured faux leather material. This month's theme is Tetris. So Tetris and Ipsy, they're doing a collaboration. Can you guys see? Let's see if I can get it to focus. So first I have my Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation SPF 15 in medium sand. Next I have the Tony Moly Vital Vita 12 Jelly Cleanser. Third I have the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Banana Setting Powder. Next I have this Tetris and Ipsy eyeshadow in the shade Game Night. Super cute packaging. Hello. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, that's such a pretty color. Let's do a swatch. That's very pretty. It's a gold with a hint of green. So pretty, look at that. Gorgeous, darling, gorgeous. Lastly, I have the Sugar Cosmetics Contour de Force Mini Highlighter in 01 Champagne Champion. Super cute packaging as well. Well, the little safety thing fell off. It's not as soft as the eyeshadow, but it's still very soft. Ooh, very pretty. Does anybody else just enjoy staring at swatches? I was gonna try this, but I just bought a new foundation, so I'm gonna see if this is the proper shade for my mom and give it to her, and if not, then I'll wear it tomorrow. Meantime,